In this round, we're going to decrease our stitches. We're going to start with a single crochet in the first stitch. In the next 2 stitches, we're going to single crochet them together. So insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Then repeat. Single crochet, then single crochet the next 2 together. Repeat this pattern 4 more times. Move your stitch marker and count your stitches. You should have 12 in this round.